video ito, ituturo ko kung paano mag-renew ng Certificate of Registration. So, for this year, 2021, magre-renew ako ng BIR, C.O.R ko for my online business. So, i-download nyo itong offline EBIR form and package 7, version 7.7 yung updated na version ng EBIR form. So, after nyo ma-install, ito yung bubungad sa inyo. So, you will just enter your taxpayer identification number. So, for this purpose, ilalagay ko na lang ay 000 yung TIN number ninyo. Okay? RDO code yung nasa C.O.R nyo, which is yung sa akin is 001. Line of business nasa C.O.R nyo rin. So ako ay online business. Taxpayer's name, last name, first name, middle name. So name ko. Registered address. So barangay. Zip code 2906. Yung telephone number ninyo or cellphone number. Yung valid email address nyo kung saan dun nila isa-send yung confirmation na nag-renew ka ng C.O.R. Okay? So, after ng email address, dito na tayo sa list of BIR forms. For the renewal, dito tayo sa BIR form 0605, which is the payment form. Click nyo lang yan. Then, click fill up. So, i-confirm na naman yung taxpayer TIN number ninyo. Then, yung email address. Submit. Okay. Then, fill up. So, eto na yung magiging payment form natin. So, calendar. Choose lang natin tong calendar. So, this is for 2021. Sa number 3, wala tayong i-click dito. Number 4 is due date. Due date natin for this year is January 30. So, 01 30 2021. Number of sheets 0. Yung ATC is MC180. Yung nasa C.O.R ko kasi is MC180, which is registration fee for VAT or non-VAT taxpayers. Click nyo lang yan. Then, okay. Return period. So, December 31, 2021. Tax type is RF. Registration fee. Part 1, background information. Taxpayer identification number, yung TIN number nyo, nandito na. RDO code. Taxpayer classification is I, individual. So, line of business, your name, your telephone number, naka-fill up na lahat. And then, dito sa number 18, type of payment is full payment. Others. Number 17, manner of payment is others. So, ang ilalagay dyan ay registration fee. Type nyo lang registration fee. Full payment, and then number 19 is 500 pesos. So for renewal, 500 pesos lang every year. So save natin. And then validate. So pag okay na lahat, dito, i-review nyo na lang before nyo i-submit or submit for final copy. So, kung okay na, submit nyo na for your final copy. So, after 2 hours, you will receive the confirmation na you are renewed. So, ang gawin nyo dito is i-print nyo tong form na to, 3 copies, and then compile para may copy kayo in case na mawala yung email. For the payment naman, pwede kayong magbayad sa Land Bank, GCash, and sa mga iba pang bayad centers sa bangko. That's it. Kung may questions kayo, you can put on the comment and I will try to answer kung kaya kong sagutan. And please like this video and subscribe for more online business contents or business contents. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.